Hello everyone, it's Geesje. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how I store my stickers and my stencils. I use page protectors that I make a slit in, and I sew with the sewing machine a new bottom, and depending on the size of the stencil I will make a 2-part or a 4-part compartment. And today I will show you how I make these pages. So you grab a page protector. The first step is cutting a slit down the middle, making sure not to go past the end and from this end on. Then you have something like this, okay? And you cut this off. This will make it easier to get in the pockets instead of just making a slit, which I've done before. This is easier because it gives you just a little bit more room to get in the pocket. The next step is to insert a piece of paper. So here's the slit. So the next step is to, with the sewing machine, sew the top part closed. So make sure that you sew on the top side of the slit. See, the slit is over here. Now you've created 2 pockets. If your items fit in here, then you can stop and you're done. But we're going to create 4 pockets. So the next step would be to find the middle. So I will use my ruler and find the 4 1/4 mark down here. And I would put a piece of tape here with arrows on it on what side I need to sew. So here I have sewn on this side. As you can see, I sewed down the middle. And here you have 4 pockets. And you have 4 pockets on the back. This way you can store a whole bunch of little things and you can also see them. And I find that nice that you can see them and they're not like in an envelope where you cannot see them. I think I get more use out of it if I can just leaf through a binder and see all the stickers I have. One thing I did was I started, so on this one you can see how wrinkled it is. I started sewing from the top down, and that created, because this is loose, it created wrinkles here. So I always turned my paper upside down and sewed from the bottom to the top. So that was it. I hope you enjoyed it and that it was useful, and maybe you could give it a try. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye!